Good afternoon. It's Laura from Teeny Tiny Theatre once again. It's me again. I thought today we should do something a bit more story based. And any of you that came to the jungle themed Teeny Tiny Tales class a couple of months ago will remember this activity. It's a really good one for grown-ups and children to play together. And basically, grown-ups, your job is to make up a story, and children, it's your job to make the sound effects for the story. And you can make those sound effects using anything you like. You could use your voice, you could use your body, clicking, clapping, you could get some musical instruments, you could find household objects that make interesting noises and create an amazing atmosphere of sounds that go with the story. And why not film it when you've had a couple of practices and then post it to our social media, Facebook and Instagram. It would be amazing to see some of your creations with us tagged in. That'd be really, really lovely to see. But we're going to have a go together now. So I'm going to say a story and you are going to make the sounds for that story. So it goes like this. Yesterday, I went on an adventure through the jungle. I walked through the trees and it was so windy. Can you make windy noises? I looked down at the ground and it was so muddy. Can you make some muddy noises? Suddenly, I looked up into the trees and I could see some cheeky monkeys playing around. What do they sound like? Great. I kept on walking and suddenly I heard a terrifying growl. I ran as fast as I could away from the tiger. Can I hear the sound of your footsteps? Luckily, I could see my tent just in the distance, so I dived inside and zipped it up. Zip! I was so relieved. Phew! Brilliant! Why don't you rewind my video and you could join in with those sounds and then make up your own one. See you again.